What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I'm here for a double stream today. The plays that we had today, guys, the free callouts that I gave on Twitter, it was just so powerful today, guys. It was just so crazy, 500% banger that I just really wanted to come and give you a recap and just show you kind of how I was able to come up with the play and give you the education that you deserve. All right. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So why don't you hit me with a 1 if you're here tonight? What's going on? Who do we have in the building? Adriana, thank you for being here. Trading Wars Army in the building. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. All right. So I'm going to hit the replay and I'm going to walk you guys through everything. So I'm going to talk to you about the concept, why I did what I did, and try to give you guys some feedback. Okay. So the first thing here is actually, if you go to my Twitter, you will find that this was the tweet that I did today. So I'm referring to this play. So this I gave at 9:10 a.m., which was 10:10 Eastern. So this is in Central, right? So we went short in the room and I decided that I was going to share it with the community as well. Okay. So we went short right here. So let me just fast forward it so you'll be able to see it. So we went short right there. Okay. And I shared it with the community as well. I want to talk you guys through this and just give you some education. I really, really want to explain everything that happened. Okay. And then this orange line is another short play that we took. And I actually called this out live on the YouTube video that we did earlier. Okay. So if you don't believe me, or if you want to go and see why I did it, please look at the YouTube video I did earlier. This orange line was our line in the sand for the short. Okay. So let's begin. So the first thing is, guys, the first bar on the 5-minute chart opened inside of the range. So you can see that this bar is basically in the middle of Thursday's range. And because it's in the middle of Thursday's range, what I'm expecting there to be is some kind of chop and back and forth. Because whenever we open in the middle, nobody is really in control of the market. Nobody is really dominating the market, because if we open below the low, the bears would be advantageous. The bulls would be threatened with the stop loss. And if we gapped above, the bears would be in danger of being threatened for stop runs. So this is kind of like a neutral play. So I'm always looking for kind of reversal plays here. So we had the first few candles here, guys, where we kind of did this little double bottom. Then we popped up, and this is what caught my attention. Okay. So this inside bar. So why did I like this inside bar? The first reason I like this inside bar was because it was pressing up against this gap fill. Okay. So we were pretty close to the gap fill. And as soon as we did this push up, we started to lose momentum because we had an inside bar. So inside bar really represents a slowing of momentum. It's a pause in the market. So all I did here, guys, was I tried. So this was from the Discord. I said, going to try this inside bar as a lotto. I have a lotto short puts here, guys, into the close full risk. So who took the short with me? So we started off here with the short, and I also posted it on Twitter for everybody, just to share this one, because I always try to give something to the community every week, because that's how I grew my channel. I grew my channel by giving free callouts, and people respected the fact that I was accurate and I was honest about it. And that's how we're here where we are today. So I'm never going to forget where I came from. So we got short here. So the way that you enter short is you just wait for the low to break. So I have a stop limit order here, meaning once it breaks that low, then it's going to go short. And I had a full risk lotto. So what that means is that I'm willing to risk the full premium. Okay. So that's what a full risk is. Okay. Because especially being 0 days to expire on a Friday, it's likely going to go to 0 if it doesn't work. So we started to push down here, guys. And right around here, we got about 150%, and things were looking really, really good. And let me just go to the Discord here so I can show you. So here was the short. Going to try the short. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Send me some love end of the week, because we crushed it. And yeah, so there were the live calls that I did in the Discord. And then from there, I have to go to my trigger trades. So my trigger trades, guys, they're lying in the sand. They're a line for the bulls and a line for the bears. So my short line was 418.80. That was my line that I was watching right around here. So 78. Let me push this up 2 more. I was looking here to see if we break here. I'm anticipating a break of the low of the previous day. So that's a line in the sand. So when we were on YouTube earlier, We came right around here, guys. So you can see we pushed on right there. We were live on YouTube, and I said, all right, we'll try this one too. Once it breaks below the orange line, you can have a stop loss above this white line, which was the last big bar. And guys, this was exceptional. Check this out. Boom. We rolled over, guys. We rolled over. We even had a nice little retest. If you missed the first attempt, we rolled over, guys. And the puts from the top here went for 500%, man. And I'm just so proud of everybody. I'm so proud of the team. You know, it's not complicated. You know, it's an inside bar. You take the break. That's it. That's why I have these indicators. That's why I created these free indicators for you guys, because trading could be that simple if you wanted to. All right. Hit me with a 10 right there, guys. Hit me with a 10 if you follow me. Did that make sense? Hit me with a 10 if that made sense. So those are the two plays. So this orange line, I gave this one for you guys for free on YouTube, and I gave this one today, man. So I just really wanted to come and talk about the strategy. So the strategy was inside bar at the top of the range. It was a good risk to reward play, right? Because if you think about it, I have a tight entry. In theory, if I wanted to be extremely tight, I could just take a stop loss above the high and probably lose about 10%. And the payout is 500%. So we're risking 10% to make 500%. That's crazy risk to reward. And then from there, this orange line, like I said, this is my line in the sand. We broke down this orange line, guys. We retested it, and then we just fell right to the ground. So that was a really, 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 really nice play. Yeah. So make sure, guys, you're following me here on the Twitter, because I post a lot of free picks. You know, another big pick we had was Johnson and Johnson. So these are all the picks that I posted this week, guys. So SPY, that was a SPY. Johnson and Johnson was today. Tesla was 2 days in a row that we crushed it short. And, you know, I did really, really well this week, guys. So I'm really happy. I'm just grateful, man. I'm grateful. That's all I can say. I'm grateful for where I am right now. And I'm just happy that I've been able to get better with trading over the years. So this with Johnson and Johnson, what I did with Johnson and Johnson, let me just show you guys in the trade plans right here that I post. I went short on Johnson and Johnson at 182.18. This was a fully automated trade. I said it the night before. I got filled at the open, and I took targets here, and I left this one into the close, and I got out right at the close. Okay, so I never swing these ones because I usually go in with a lot of size. So I just like to get in and get out. All right. So there we go, my friends. I'm going to go work on the seminar for Sunday that we're doing. I want to thank you very much. I hope you understood that. I just really wanted to take some time to like break that down. And, you know, the whole concept is inside day is first and foremost, right? We have an inside day. We open inside. I'm expecting a reversal. We got this inside bar, taking it down. Very nice risk to reward. We even had a Nirvana, which was one of my special patterns. We actually had two of my advanced patterns. We had a Nirvana and we had a Holy Grail. So these are my advanced patterns in my indicator. And what they are inside, outside, or outside, inside. So they're very rare. They don't happen a lot. And both of these were winners. So I really can't say anything but just, you know, that was just amazing. I'm just feeling blessed about that. So thank you very much, guys, for your time. Check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested. This Fibonacci book will be going up probably on Monday. So grab a copy if you're interested. You get 1 month for free. You can trade with us live on Monday. Otherwise than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recap. I just really felt like I need to come home and talk about this, even though I did a stream earlier today. Normally, I don't do 2 in a day. Tomorrow, I'll be looking at some swing trades, and Sunday, we'll be doing the full SPY recap. So thank you so much for your time, my friends, and I will catch you again tomorrow. Let me answer this question for Angie. Do you recommend to combine advanced patterns with fibs? Yes, I do. I talk about that a lot. Those are really good setups when you have a Fibonacci with like a Nirvana or a Holy Grail. Usually is pretty accurate trade. All right. Thank you. And don't forget to comment. If you comment, you have a chance to win the giveaway on Sunday. All right. You guys take care.